My name's Susan Combs, and today we're going to talk about reasons for homeowner cancellation. When it comes to your homeowner's policy, unfortunately, people do get cancellation notices. The number one reason people get cancellation notices are quite simply that you didn't pay your bill. Unfortunately, to be insured, you do have to pay that bill that comes in the mail every single month. And if you don't, a lot of times the policies will give you a 30-day grace period, and then if you do not comply, then they're going to cancel your policy. So, keep in mind that if you have a mortgage on that home and it's a condition of your loan to have it be insured, that your loan could actually get called in when they're notified that you no longer have insurance. So that's one of the main reasons. Another reason is, say fraud. Say that you said that it was a one-story dwelling and they have somebody that goes out there and does an audit and they find that you have a three-story dwelling. And you were trying to get the premium to be lower, so they might cancel your policy due to fraud. They also might cancel your policy because they just quite simply are getting out of the business. You have carriers all the time that they're in a certain line of business and then all of a sudden they decide to change direction. So they'll either offer to grandfather your policy in by kicking up the premium by 400%, or they'll just give you a non-renewal notice, which is also a cancellation notice. And the last reason is if you've had a lot of claims in this past year. So say with Superstorm Sandy, or say some of the tornadoes down in Joplin or something like that that's happened in the past couple of years, and you might have a carrier that had all their eggs in one basket and had a high concentration of clients in a certain area that had a catastrophic loss. They might choose to non-renew that area just because they can't afford to continue in that line, in that area which had such a tragedy. So the main thing to do is, if you're getting a cancellation notice, check to see if you paid your bill. If you changed your bank account or something like that, it could be just a simple, flip of the switch and then it's all taken care of. But the best thing to do is also to communicate to your broker, because they can give you the reasoning behind why you got a cancellation notice and they can help you shop for a new carrier.